Dealers across the US are now starting to get their first units of the BMW M340i, the top model of the new G23 series. It was the case with BMW of Manhattan, who got their hands on the M340i in Alpine White and decided to take the car out for a photo shoot in the beautiful and sunny New York City. It also one of the first times that we seen the M340i in a white color, considering the launch colors were mostly black or dark gray. In the US, the standard color is Alpine White, while for $550, you get additional options: black Sapphire Metallic, Mineral White Metallic, Mineral Gray Metallic, Sunset Orange Metallic and Portimao. If you have $1,950 to shell out, then two individual colors are now available: Dravit Gray Metallic and Tanzanite Blue Second Metallic. If that's not enough for you, the BMW 3 Series individual program is there to help. In a recent article, we counted up to 84 colors available for the new 3 Series, for an extra charge. With its uniquely shaped kidneys, which relies on smaller star-shaped elements instead of continuous struts, the new BMW M340i gets a unique optical feature to differentiate itself from the regular 3 Series models. The design of the kidney grille distinguishes the Super Sport 3 Series sedan not only from the lesser powerful 3 Series models with classic struts, but also from the upcoming BMW M3 with its double struts. Compared to the usual design features of the M Performance models, which closely follow the look of the M Sport package and are different only the exterior accents in cerium gray or Farah gray, the new kidney design represents a major step towards diversification. With the new extended shadow line, customers now have the option to replace the colored accents with high-gloss black, which is why a further clear distinction. Under the hood is a 3.0-liter turbocharged i6 engine that makes 382 horsepower North America, it a bit less powerful in Europe, making it the most powerful and fastest non-M3 series ever. The BMW M340i gets an 8-speed automatic gearbox as its only option and can be had in either rear-wheel drive or X-drive all-wheel drive. According to BMW, 0-60 mph comes in the low 4-second range. The top G23 series model BMW M340i XDRIV will arrive in summer 2019 with a base price of $56,995, which is fairly close to its competitors. The rear-wheel drive M340i starts at $54,000 plus $995.